Boosting your metabolism is a common goal for many individuals looking to lose weight or simply maintain a healthy body weight. A faster metabolism means that your body burns more calories at rest, which can help you achieve your weight loss goals. In this article, we will delve deeper into 8 effective ways to boost your metabolism and achieve a healthier, happier you. 1. Eat protein-rich foods. Eating foods that are high in protein can help boost your metabolism, as your body burns more calories to digest protein than it does to digest carbohydrates or fat. Protein is also beneficial for building and maintaining muscle mass, which is important for increasing your metabolism. Some great sources of protein include lean meats, eggs, fish, and beans. 2. Drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is important for overall health, but it can also help boost your metabolism. Drinking water helps your body process calories more efficiently, and can also help reduce your appetite. Additionally, drinking water before meals can help you eat less, which can help with weight loss. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water per day, or more if you are exercising. 3. Get enough sleep. Getting a good night's sleep is important for many reasons, but it can also help boost your metabolism. When you don't get enough sleep, your body produces more cortisol, a hormone that can slow down your metabolism. Aim to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night to help keep your metabolism running efficiently. 4. Do strength training. Building muscle mass can help boost your metabolism, as muscle burns more calories at rest than fat does. Incorporating strength training into your exercise routine can help you build muscle and burn more calories. Some effective strength training exercises include weightlifting, bodyweight exercises, and resistance band workouts. 5. Eat spicy foods. Spicy foods contain capsaicin, a compound that can boost your metabolism by increasing your body's production of heat. This can lead to a temporary increase in metabolism, helping you burn more calories. Some great spicy foods to incorporate into your diet include chili peppers, cayenne pepper, and hot sauce. 6. Drink green tea. Green tea contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that can help boost your metabolism. Drinking green tea regularly can help increase your metabolism and burn more calories. Additionally, green tea has numerous other health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain diseases and improving brain function. 7. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can actually slow down your metabolism, as your body goes into starvation mode and conserves calories. Eating regular, healthy meals can help keep your metabolism revved up and burning calories. Aim to eat 3 to 4 meals per day, and make sure to include a balance of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. 8. Be active throughout the day. Being active throughout the day can help keep your metabolism revved up. Taking short walks, doing a few squats or lunges, or simply standing up and moving around can help keep your metabolism active and burning calories. Additionally, incorporating more physical activity into your daily routine can help improve your overall health and reduce the risk of numerous diseases. In conclusion, boosting your metabolism is an important step towards achieving a healthy body weight and overall wellness. Incorporating these 8 strategies into your daily routine can help you increase your metabolism, burn more calories, and achieve your goals. Remember to be patient and consistent, as it may take some time to see results. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips on health and self-care. Lastly, click on the link below to get your free ebook, 8 Ways to Boost Your Metabolism, and start your journey towards a healthier, happier you.